In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off high performance mode. Start by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on battery section available here. Now click on the gray switcher next to performance mode to activate it and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, high performance was successfully enabled. To disable it, click on the same switcher until it's gray again. Quick tip: if you are not sure if performance mode is enabled or disabled, you don't have to enter those settings to check. You can look at the top right corner of your screen, and when you see this icon, that means that high performance is on. If you can't see it, it's definitely disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!